Yo, what's up, guys? This video, I'm gonna be checking out POJ's drum pack for the first time. I just downloaded a drum kit. I just bought it. So let me see what's inside. You guys know I love using POJ stuff. From his the shake pack. I use the shakers in there all the time. So let's see what he has in here. Shaker loops. Some rim shots. And some melodies. Let me see. Let me look up a VST and see what he has on the chords. We'll probably cook up with one of takes. Let's see piano. Let's try MIDI first. I like this. This is D flat. This is D flat major. So that's basically C sharp. This is really giving me vibes. Okay, I love that. Let's just cook up that. I don't want to waste too much time. Let's get into it. Let's get into it, bro. Things a bit too fast. Let's go down to like 1 or 2. Probably have to pitch this down. From E to D flat, that's 1, 2, 2 semitones down. So pitch this 2 semitones down. Actually, it's 3 semitones down. 3 semitones down. Hey. me add some melody to it. Hey, I'm sure that's arcade. C sharp. If you guys want to check out the pack, I'll leave a link in the description. This is a link to the pack, the site, and the stars. Let's just add something. I don't want to think too much. Let's see if this bass is gonna go. I feel like playing my own bass, but let's say this is gonna go. So just pitch this 100 cents up to C sharp. Let's hear it. Hey, fire. Hey. The beats don't finish, man. description. Just choke this stuff, man. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it. I can't even speak. If you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Shout out to POJ, man. This stuff is fire, man. Fire. All right, guys. See you guys on the next one.